You guys might have heard of the term fashion changes but style endures by the legendary Miss Karina. Just kidding, I wish it was Miss Coco Chanel. We are not defined by the clothes that we wear. We are defined by our style, our personality. It is through clothes that we express who we are. By discovering your personal style, you are going to make your wardrobe and the pieces in your closet work for you instead of being a slave to ever-changing fashion trends here and there. As your big sis, I have the moral responsibility to not only help you find your personal style, but to also help you save tons of time, effort, and money. The number one mistake that people always make whenever they're thinking about defining their personal style is by equating personal style to a specific aesthetic. So think like old money, minimalism, French elegance, sporty chic. Trust me, as a millennial, I have seen my share of fashion aesthetics all over the place, and I've even seen fashion come back full circle. I'm looking at you, skinny jeans. It's gonna come back, I know it. I think it's FedEx. But that is not your personal style. That's just a specific fashion aesthetic. Those are just style categories that can help you sort out different options in your mind. True personal style is about what you genuinely love and what suits your lifestyle, your appearance, your body type. It's about feeling comfortable and confident and happy rather than trying to squeeze and package and label everything into one single aesthetic. The second mistake that people always make whenever they're set on finding their personal style is to go out there and start buying new items and new clothes. It's actually decluttering and letting go of the pieces in your closet currently that you are not reaching for. Trust me, I've been there, done that for so many years. Skipping this step will only cost you a lot of money, a lot of time and energy, and you're gonna be more frustrated at the end. Action item. What I suggest you guys do is to start taking selfies of the outfits that you feel absolutely amazing in. So take me your selfies one day when you're going out and you feel like it's a bomb-ass outfit, stick it in your phone and keep repeating this process every single time you feel good about your outfit for a couple weeks. And afterwards, I promise you, you're gonna start seeing a pattern. You're gonna start seeing which items you reach for the most, which items give you the greatest boost of confidence, and your personal style will start to emerge. A lot of times we don't know this about ourselves, but when you subconsciously reach for, let's say, wide leg pants over skinny leg pants, or a specific color, maybe you reach for pinks a lot more than greens, or you're reaching for patterns like plaids over leopard print. Those are all subconscious decisions that you may or may not know about yourself and what your brain prefers. And once you figure out which items you tend to gravitate towards, those are gonna be your core piece because they actually fit your lifestyle, they fit your body type, they make you confident and make you happy, and they're actually practical for everyday needs. Anything else is just clutter, trust me. Remove those clutter and wardrobe distractions and you're one step closer to identifying your unique style. And once you've streamlined your wardrobe, the next step is what I call the fun part, because you get to go on Pinterest and IG and TikTok and pour through all the different inspirations and style to find what truly suits your needs. For this step, it's important to use keywords for your searching goals. These keywords need to resonate with you and your personal style. For example, quiet luxury or higher end fashion. Don't be afraid to explore a variety of different looks from all over the world. I'm in Canada, but a lot of times I actually reference what's trending in Korea and in other parts of the world because it's so easy to have style fatigue if you're just looking at one specific part of the world, because fashion is so worldwide. Don't limit it to a single geographical location. The next part is one of the key parts. You're taking research and inspo from influencers or from content creators online who are similar in lifestyle and budget as you. For example, if you are 40 years old with a pear-shaped figure, is it wise to follow 20-something-year-old with a apple-shaped body type and a budget of a real old money growing up? Gotta be realistic in really pinpointing who you're taking inspo from and not just the inspo itself. And avoid following creators online who are very trend focused. Don't get me wrong, I follow tons of magazine inspo that tells me what the latest trends are. It helps me do my research and my homework before making YouTube videos for you guys. But if you're someone who doesn't make a living out of creating outfits online, following people who are always into the latest trends can easily sway you and confuse you and actually distract you from finding your personal style, because you're always going to find yourself chasing new trends and you're always going to feel like you're not good enough because you need to have that latest trendy piece in order to be trendy. But then if you're not actually feeling happy about that latest trendy piece, then you're not actually going to incorporate into your outfit and your new style wardrobe, and it's just all going to be a disaster. You're just going to feel like you're a failure and you're going in circles trying to find your personal style, and you will never find it that way. The last part is upgrading your wardrobe, or finding key pieces that align with your new personal style. This doesn't mean you have to overhaul your entire closet. Instead, take what you already own and compare those pieces with your new style goal. If you already have items that match your desired style, but it's of a lower quality, you can always take this opportunity to upgrade that piece to a higher quality, better made piece. For example, if you have a black satin skirt that you love and you realize that you've been reaching for it so much, but at the same time you're kind of like tired of wearing it all the time and you wish it was a better material and it feels more comfy on your skin, this is a really good chance to take that satin skirt and maybe upgrade it to a 100% silk skirt. Remember, we're following one rule, which is better things but fewer items. So as soon as you get that silk skirt, you can say bye-bye to your satin skirt. And if you're shopping this way, you're only ever buying new stuff to replace your old stuff and not just random stuff just adding to clutter in your closet. For example, if you work in an office, invest in quality workwear as opposed to spending your money on prom dresses. Just because your favorite content creator has done tons of new content on prom dresses doesn't mean you should. If you are working in an office Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, you really have no need for that. Also, focus on buying things that actually complement your existing wardrobe and not just adding to the clutter, because you want to make sure that your new purchases are practical and fits well with a wide variety of different tops and bottoms in your closet. The last piece of advice I'm going to give you all is don't be afraid to make mistakes and mess up. Just like life, finding your personal style is a journey in itself, and it's really important to remember that it is not set in stone. Just like life, the only constant in life is change. If you ever feel like you need a rebranding, it's never too late to unveil a better version of yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and different aesthetics. Speaking from experience, my personal style is so different today than it was, I'd say, even just like a year ago. It's common for change to occur. There's a lot of comments out there on YouTube, and whenever I see a comments out there saying like, Karina, you've changed, I'm like, good. I hope this was helpful in some way. If you guys want to see more of these videos in the future, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Good luck in finding your style. Bye!